Hello everyone and welcome to a weekly review that it's a bit late, but nevertheless it's the first day of February, so and it's Tuesday, so as I said, it's a bit late, but let's jump into the charts and see what we can find to trade off. Okay, EurUsd last week was pretty bearish and a nice drop from Thursday to Friday, and now we are in the pullback mode. On the bigger time frame, on a daily, there is a daily demand down here, so for the bearish move, this is the final, not the final, but the first target. Now for this pullback, there is a 4-hour supply zone up here, so from this low to this high. And the price already entered into this supply zone. And yes, there is a 4-hour OB here, in which the price didn't tap yet, but let's mark it out. Okay. Now the issue with this order block here is that the move up into this supply zone didn't create enough internal liquidity on the 4 hours, so there's a chance that this supply zone will not hold. And then if we initiate a bigger pullback, there's a lot of liquidity above all these highs here, and maybe the price will go higher to tap into a higher OB, something like here, or even here, or even to the extreme up here. Other than that, there's an unmitigated supply zone even up here, so let's just follow the price. If we get any kind of bearish switch of trend on the lower time frames, like the 15-minute, then we can follow this. This is the first zone, and yes, that's it. This is the 4-hour protected high for now. And if you just see all the supply zones that we're holding, and as you can see, after breaking this low here, the price didn't return into the upper supply zone, so this is from here to here is a supply zone, and it's still open. The next one was from here to here, and the price left the zone and tapped back in, so this was like this to here. Then the next supply zone, sorry for was from here to here, and this is still open. Then the next supply zone was from here to here and was mitigated by this high. Then the next supply zone was from here to here and was also mitigated, and the next supply zone is from here to here and was also tapped in. So the price left the zone, came back in, and now this is the next supply zone, which is mitigated right now, but there is an 4-hour OB, and as I said, the move up is pretty quick. No internal liquidity was created, so it's hard to say if it will hold or not. If it holds, the next leg down, of course, the first targets are these lows here, and on a bigger time frame, this daily demand down here. Okay, let's go on GU. And yeah, overall it's still bearish. Also the 3-day pullback, also the price by the end of January start to go bullish because of some profit taking at the end of the month. And once again, this is the last supply zone, and the price is stepping into 4-hour OB up here. There was much internal liquidity created, so maybe this zone could hold. Let's see if we can have a change of trend. If not, the next supply zone is up here, and it's unmitigated. So if this 4-hour OB will not hold, then the price most likely will go to the next supply zone in this area here before going lower. AUD, Aussie dollar, the same, some internal liquidity created here. The price stepped into this big supply zone. There's a smaller time frame OB here and a 2-hour OB up here. So this is the zones that I will look for sell. GJ, a complex pullback, and this is the last supply zone, which is not mitigated yet. And there is the first 4-hour OB here, so I will look for sells in this zone and trying to find buys up to this zone here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It is more short, the outlook, than usually, but let's keep it short and sweet. So good luck, and see you on the Discord server. Bye bye.